the time has come for the moment that will decide the course of the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Although many believe that the opportunities available at this time make sleepless nights the new norm, let's find out what's actually going on. Although many have been observing Shiba Inu's meteoric rise, it hasn't been immune to the recent decline in the cryptocurrency market. Since April 9th, Shiba Inu has been declining, plunging by 24% from its opening price yesterday. However, there was a glimmer of hope when Bitcoin retested the $597 support level, which sparked a significant recovery across the market and recorded a modest 3.31% increase in Shiba Inu. Sadly, the bearish pressure has returned today, as seen by the 3.82% decline in Shiba Inu. Unfavorable macroeconomic conditions and geopolitical tensions were among the variables that sparked this latest sell-off, but there's one item that doesn't make sense. Many people are perplexed as to why, in spite of the impending Bitcoin halving event, the cryptocurrency market is still. Despite the intense buzz and palpable expectation around this event, prices are still low. One important reason for this could be the Federal Reserve's recent remarks, which have indicated at a potential delay in rate cuts due to ongoing, in contrast to previous indications of possible rate cuts as early as 2024. High inflation suggests that any reductions might not occur until 2025. But why does this matter for the cryptocurrency market? Essentially, it comes down to the relationship between traditional finance and cryptocurrencies. Since cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are frequently viewed as a hedge against traditional monetary policies and inflation, any sign that these policies might not be as effective as expected in reducing inflation could, at least temporarily, stifle interest in these investments. This is only the beginning. Large-scale asset sales have exacerbated the market's decline even further. We are accustomed to hearing about reported outflows of $90 million from Bitcoin ETFs, so this trend, along with ongoing withdrawals from spot Bitcoin ETFs, has further exacerbated the market's decline. Additionally, tensions have increased in the wake of the Middle East April 13 news, which has sparked another round of market declines as investors try to protect themselves against potential economic fallout. As a result of the market's anxiety, the entire cryptocurrency field declined. However, one Twitter user pointed out something intriguing to consider. Explains to anyone who is surprised by the cryptocurrency market's pullback what happens when Bitcoin rises for 7 straight months, a hint that it has only happened once. This user makes the argument that, given the market's 7 months of growth, it is not surprising to see a correction, and there is something you should be aware of. People should be grateful for the 7 months of unbroken growth in the cryptocurrency space. However, what if some of you missed out on this period of growth? Well, keep watching this video. It's a historical anomaly that has brought significant gains to many investors. Additionally, this period of growth has given individuals worldwide opportunities for financial empowerment. It's democratized access to wealth creation and allowed people from diverse backgrounds to participate in the global economy in ways previously unimaginable. This small retracement doesn't look that bad if we zoom out of the chart. In the cryptocurrency world, it's common knowledge that when things look bad on the price chart, zooming out often helps to see the bigger picture and make better decisions. This is unquestionably a very wise strategy. I'm about to reveal something even bigger. Zooming out often allows us to see long-term trends rather than just short-term swings, which helps to contextualize present moves and serves as a helpful reminder that volatility is a normal part of the cryptocurrency market. By adopting this larger perspective, investors can avoid being sucked into a momentary panic and make better informed decisions. Additionally, before making decisions based on recent price dips, it's important to remember the bullish events that have occurred in the cryptocurrency space, such as the upcoming Bitcoin event that will take place in less than 24 hours or the recently approved Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong. For example, the Hong Kong ETF has the ability to bring in approximately $25 billion, which might have a big effect on pricing in the cryptocurrency market. The following tweet sums up the state of the market rather nicely. Since we mentioned the Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong, here's an intriguing fact. According to a Twitter user, Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong are much more significant than those in the West. Bitcoin will retrace far enough to persuade you that the bull market is ended, after which it will continue its upward path. Haven't got a fund with 600k BTC that's ready to dump on the market as the ETFs go live? All of their ETFs start at 0 BTC, so you can only buy at the beginning line bullish. They're referring to the fact that there have been several market crashes since the US government approved the Bitcoin ETF in January, and most of them were just the result of Grayscale selling off their enormous holdings of Bitcoin that they had been building up over years. However, with the Hong Kong ETF, the situation is different, and now that the upcoming Bitcoin event is happening in less than a day, the excitement is unreal. Enormous because the Bitcoin hailing only occurs once every 4 years, meaning that people have been eagerly awaiting it in the knowledge that in the past it has caused notable fluctuations in the price of Bitcoin. It's similar to waiting for a rare celestial event. When it does occur, the excitement and anticipation are palpable. However, what effect might it have on our beloved Shiba Inu? That's a good question. Shiba Inu will record an incredible gain of about 900,000 to reach a price of nearly 2 cents if it replicates its POS with a rise from 2021, but hold on, you might think those are absurd figures. Allow me to clarify. Shiba Inu faced a significant challenge following the impressive March rally of more than 300%. Shiba Inu goes on. Gave up more gains to the bears, and the market crashed by 59% from the March peak. Nevertheless, investors are now placing more faith in Bitcoin's potential recovery this week, as they find hope in historical precedents, especially the pattern of bullish runs that frequently coincide with the cryptocurrency's events. In May 2020, Bitcoin hit 8,000. After 5 months, the price of Bitcoin started to rise bullishly and continued to do so throughout the new year. By April 2021, the price had risen above $660,000. And after a brief decline, the leading cryptocurrency continued to rise until November 2021, when it hit a new all-time high. This remarkable increase represented a staggering rally of more than 721 since the halving event, and it's interesting to note that Shiba Inu was not even in existence at the time of Bitcoin's May 2020. With it wasn't until January 31, 2021, that Shiba Inu saw a significant trading volume of over $5 million. From that point on, Shiba Inu consistently maintained trading volumes of thousands of dollars and occasionally millions by the time Bitcoin reached its first 64,000. Shiba Inu made its debut 3 months later with as many as 9 leading zeros initially. Shiba Inu saw minimal trading activity during Bitcoin's initial surge in late 2020. Peak taking place in April 2021 while Bitcoin reached a new high of 68,000 in November 2021. Shiba Inu had already achieved its own peak of 48 in October 2021, spanning from January to October. If Bitcoin were to replicate the 721% surge it experienced after its current price of roughly 63,000, it would reach a price above $500,000. Similarly, if Shiba Inu were to repeat history and surge by over 8,000% with its current price, it would theoretically reach 2 cents. However, well-known forecasting platforms do not see Shiba Inu reaching this price in the next 2 decades, let alone during this bullish season. As a result, market participants should not view this evaluation as definitive financial guidance, but even with that, the excitement is still evident because for most of the newcomers with recently approved ETFs this year, this will be their first time attending a Bitcoin halving event. Seeing this massively anticipated event for the first time firsthand is thrilling. It's like watching history unfold before you, knowing that you're a part of something significant in the cryptocurrency world. The joy of being a part of this dynamic, ever-evolving market comes with the anticipation, uncertainty, and potential for large moves. What are your thoughts on that? Please leave a comment below. I'd be interested in hearing from you. This brings this video to a conclusion. If you're keen to learn more, be sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.